Morning, judges. This is Kushwant. So, our team name is Midlife Crisis. So, we have our phase two summers that we made. So, yeah, this is our submission. So, this is our registration platform. We kept it very simple for the demo version. But the functionalities that we added, I'll just give a brief about because the phase two deliverables are mostly related to AI and machine learning. So we focus more on the backend AI machine learning, and we also came up with new ideas which are kind of unique, and we liked it because they were very less complex than what we were actually asked to do. So the key capabilities that we have implemented in this phase is the worker registration, which is a minimum expectation from us, and then the insurance policy management. We can choose the tenure now, and also we have something called pending activation because just in case they do something like weather trading, we have a 48-hour fraud cooldown. So this is just like a mechanism to help ourselves that there will be no hard no trading related to weather trading and stuff like that. So after 48 hours, the policy will get activated, and if they do not pay the premium, it will get inactivated. And then the dynamic premium calculation, the machine learning models are used in this process. So here I'll show you our formula. So this is our formula, daily income into coverage ratio. Coverage ratio is fixed at 30%. Payout rate, by the way, payout rate, it has multiple components inside it. It has many formulas for itself. I mean, it has many variables for itself as well. So payout rate, it depends on the past values in that specific zone. We have divided Bangalore into multiple zones, and in that zone, we have multiple rainfall, multiple AQI. We have trained our machine learning models on at least like 1,500 or 3,000 data points, and we model them into predicting how risky are those zones. So the payout hope is the risk severity that it does determined by disruption severity. Disruption severity is what we measured inside the payout rate using machine learning. And the affected hours, this is also predicted. Affected hours in that specific week, we are just predicting how many hours could that worker be affected in that specific zone. So that also needs machine learning. So yeah, these we used three machine learning models. So yeah, here it is, disruption frequency model. In a week, since it is a weekly premium, in a week, how many days in that specific week can we expect him to, you know, to suffer? So basically, some catastrophes occur. How many days in that specific week is what this first thing predicts. And then this thing is the duration. Duration means in that specific days, how many hours, how many working hours is he going to get affected? And the severity is the ZTI score that we have talked about in placement. And we also have something very unique, I suppose, which is wallet. We are not calling GPay APIs or Razorpay APIs or Stripe APIs multiple times whenever a claim is occurred. It is going to be very complex. So we have come up with something called in that app itself, we have something called wallet. So whenever a claim is automatically applied to that worker, we have this wallet. So that person can just, he can directly take money from that wallet. So yeah, that these are our new things, and just walk through the front end of the app. So here, this is a tenure. We can choose our tenure, and we can choose the get. I mean, this get code is basically the first weekly premium that we're supposed to pay for purchasing the policy. So we can purchase the policy, and here, like I said, the status is going to be pending activation, so as to not to just prevent the frauds, basically. I mean, if someone gets weather data on the previous day, they can just take, they can claim policy the before day, which is going to be not beneficial for the company, for our insurance company. So that is not good. So now we have purchased the policy. So this person will have this specific data dashboard. And here we are very transparent about how we are calculating his insurance premium. So this is our ZDI transparency. ZDI is zone disruptive index. And this is our base ZDI, which we'll see. These are our demo controls that we made just for making this demo video. We have activated the policy because it is having a 48-hour cooldown period. Now it is activated. And this deterministic outage is basically when the platform is not working. So I have fired that. Now I'll run the claim. Like I said, the wallet is going to be incremented by 10 times. That we also have these. We flag these claims as well. And this is our wallet. And here we can cash out the full balance. And now it is completely zero. We in phase three we are going to integrate with GPay API or whatever it is, the sandbox, the razor, whatever it is. We'll figure out at phase three. So yeah, this is our one click demo claim. These are our recent claims that we did before making this demo video. These are our list of the claims that we have made. And this is our wallet right now. Because we have cashed out before, it is now 10.37. That is it, guys. Thank you so much